Hi everyone, today we are going to read Red and Green. Welcome to my reading session. Today we are going to read Red and Green. This is red. This is green. Green is kind. Red is mean. How are you? Said Green to Red. Go away, said Red instead. This is Red. This is Green. Green is upset. Red is still mean. Red is alone. Green is too. Now suddenly, Green feels blue. This is green. Green is sad. This is red. Red feels bad. Sorry, Green, mumbled Red. Could I be your friend instead? This is red. This is green. Green is happy. Yay! Red isn't mean. Instead, he's kind, and now they're friends. And that is how this story ends. The end. So, hope you enjoyed it. I'll be back with more stories. Bye!